ase. But there's something powerful you gotta know. When you say placenta, like I say a friend of placenta, no. If we are dealing with it, placenta no fa boja. Then there may be trouble on that level. Mr. More money on collar no fee, Yamaka, I have been and collar in school or more fee. So Obama from the age of 1 to 2 woman meno and I say papa no but more than I won't ya continue but when the child is from the age of 2 going forward now from 2 to about 14 no so I at least from morning to 12 there and so to me yeah for your man say training or more and we are thick and deep from the age of 14 to 18 the message say and Kolan at least from morning to in the 6 o'clock in the day and then up to Sunday in Pacho Momo Rani Sadia and so that Sunday and we will finish this matter of in the area of the placenta no Mr. Adia Nyame Ediba in that area no you have no idea with him and a woman be framing or framing as well no come not so serious never from the young age Akolano her behavior was beautiful BBI fine at the age of 14 now mamino no matter how much or the Akolano sorry all kind of no the child doesn't want to hear anything about God all framing no Akolano no and now your baby no why it's because something is wrong somewhere what calculation was made what connection was made from the youth from the young age no only no adiano eye cut off pointer changing yama e wa kolana brabum mesremo me pacho pa more reverend page no so Ghana reverend na safu page no so me pacho so unia bi enyamba so but more than a friend. Please call them now and begin to share. And you're very, very critical. From Sisia and begin to share because the information I'm giving you today is really important. Now, the most concise. Center is a very strong spiritual entity. Now, it is an entity very much used by demonic forces to track, manipulate the lives of millions of people. But listen to this. The placenta is a very strong idea. Your friend, a strong spiritual entity. It's an entity that very much used by demonic forces to track and manipulate millions of people. Now, millions of people in Africa, our general population is here in Africa, and I'm going to bring something to you. Now, one thing you also have to know about the placenta is that it has strong affinity with the dark forces in the earth. The placenta has a strong affinity with dark forces that rule the heavens and the earth. Maybe tell me more, so please follow me very well. Now, you have 2 case studies beyond person. Papa can Job 40:16, mommy. Quickly. Job 40:16. Very, very important. Kind mommy. Now we are Genesis 1:11 to Job 40:16. Papa kind mommy is here.
Job 40:16.
Talking about the strength of the loins.
Share ni tumi a ewo na sene mu.
O se ni tumi e dey.
Ewo na sene mu.
Okay,
Ne na ho oden a ewo ne yefunu entini.
No, titi. Na ho oden a ewo ne mfruma abano emu. Na ekosi placenta ni mu no. Enti we Kristo ni pato tie me. Ansa na me di bibia bebre wo no me din kan e di asem ne ebre wo. Na me you see the scripture me di asem na ewo nyame asem na me di back in nyame ka tro no. Enti amope ni tie me ye pa. Tie. O say Papa can be catching mommy.
What's it to me? I want to see him.
I say his power is in his waistline.
Nena who attain. I want your full entity.
But you, there's a Huadina Yamedi man Nimpano. It is embedded in your umbilical line through the line of the placenta. Me baby. Okay. One thing I so for mommy obia me or you obia no she's in the medical field. And na many dialogue about the placenta issues no. And no man me point you can me cry minim. Your friend adie bi stem cells. Sa stem cells no. Obi a oye doctor ni masoma me kan pa. Se obi yare bibi wo boja ni mu. Ana oyare bibi wo ne cell system ni mu a. Sa adie no ewo umbilical line ni mu. Eye cord na ye twa no. Sa cord na ye twa no boja na ewo sa cord ni mu no. Eno omo twe na omo store. Na omo twe na omo store. Nipa no se onyina yare bi ya na se how bi to na sa stem cells no na ye treat the problem in the blood. Hear me very well. Listen, when I come to you with the word that God has prepared to bring wisdom to you. Reverend Kanye, you acquire the knowledge. From the knowledge comes revelation. From the revelation, you gain understanding. From the understanding, now you gain the wisdom that you can use to overcome the works of the devil. Watch this. So when we are dealing with the area of the placenta, stem cells, obia when you leukemia. Obia when you serious blood cancer, you kiss and you start to say the must end and reverse the cause of Yariana Eden and ruling in that person. So what does that tell you? The life of every creature is in the blood. Can Genesis 1:11, mommy? You go.
Genesis 1:11. Okay. Na Nyankopɔn ka sɛ, asase emfiri nwura, emfudie, enuaba, sɛdeɛ wɔn nsu ɛteɛ ɛwɔ asase so.
Okay, right. Hold on right there. 100% of you answer number 2,000. There are two things. Job 40:16 except the placenta, except the umbilical line. What does it mean? The spiritual strength of every human lays in the placenta. Or ahodi biara ɛwɔ nimpa bawumu. Placenta. Now from there, you know what happens? From the strength of that placenta, and also there is something. So placenta, the last week we catch them say you too hard. Placenta it takes 5 to 6 hours. And sana and quiet woman every that means it's a placenta and quiet day. And call placenta no more. There is life in the placenta. Me pacho me say you be obi how I late. Me pacho keep sharing the page. Keep sharing the page. Share Reverend and I have a page, and let's get this information on the ground. It's very important. Baby, I will be a catcher and obia or no onyanti yankano catcher and nano base and the man on Munyandia. Or Shaman Colano, a country no more. Listen, Mamma went to Mama. I didn't know you catcher me on the placenta wrong. You will be there from the 3 cycles of life. And very, very important. Now the 3 cycles, the 3 phases of life. Unipabiano, you are 3, you're from the age of 0 to 18, you're from 18 to 40, and then we have from 40 to 65, 70. Now these 3 cycles, and every one of them, any what their spiritual significance holds. I'll come to that. But let me break this for you. So what? The spiritual strength of every human is in the placenta. Now you got Genesis 1:11 now. Earth is a spiritual entity. But you have 2 spiritual entities in the Kabomu. Assassini, placenta ni. The element of the earth and the element of the placenta. Now, what be a ya wo you 2 assassins. Pachote. Obi kwa wa say aso mi ke onim. Wo biara ya wo wa, especially ya wo ekrase no. Ya ma me no ya wo ewia. You 2 assassins. Near the placenta right asha ho. Now for your makata so, listen to what is happening here. Be biara assassin, whether assassin whether insumo, whether bushim no mliko say you. Anywhere your placenta came between an element and an element, what happens is that placenta has blood in it. Wherever blood touches the earth, wherever blood comes to in a contention with another element, a covenant is formed. Wherever blood comes in contact with another element, whether earth, fire, wind, water, there is what we call a covenant form. Later on, I'll explain further for you to understand the elements to a deeper level. That's it. Papa Yanko, Leviticus 17:11 to 12. The life of every creature, very important. Leviticus 17:11 to 12. Kai mami, na mema ya mema no mutie me no munya ntiase e wo nyame mu ena mu hu bebia ye dey yeko. Go ahead, Yanko.
Efri se, ohonam kra e wo mogya no.
Okay, hold on. What's the name?
Efri se, ohonam kra e wo mogya no.
And this ohonam kra wo mogya no mu ene ya 1. Not 2. We come into the area assassin no so nyame bo assassin say assassin no onan kasa assassin oti asem assassin okasa assassin otumi mene assassin otumi puba. So if placenta na eye enkwa no ekura assassin tima or say from the earth you came and to the earth you shall return. Now what you don't know is say at once that you plant that thing in the earth, you have already started the process of returning to the earth. And that process of returning to the earth is not what God planned from the very beginning. And assassin tima no so no okay ya nyame ka say itumi na ye de ama Yesu ne e wo soro ne e wo assassin so na ne e wo assassin ase. enti te say tumi bi ye den e wa asase ase na tumi na wa asase ase no the powers of the dark kingdom and those powers no when they take over your placenta na ye dua wa ade no na you are in trouble. Pastor Tenie maami bi frɛ me nipa 2 ɔmo frɛ me baako frɛ me last week maami no ɔse ne ma miɛnsa mo a mo tie me last Sunday anadwo no ɛwɔ Dominion Hour no ɛwɔ Vision 1 me kan maami no ɛma miɛnsa 3 sons baako pɔrɔpɔrɔ miɛnsa. First one was about 23, second one was 17, 18, last one was 12. Mamini say owo ye pe ena ni kunu efa placentas no ena di bora certain places here in Accra. That place is not bora and one ye Abusum area. Obora hono ena ko dua placenta no e was sa asase no so. Never first one nenyefra. Second one enyefra, third one enyefra. If you say I am normal, that is not normal. It tells you the power is working somewhere. How did that happen? Because the placenta has been planted. And what placenta anymore? Any assassination once it was buried in the earth, something began to happen. What began to happen? The curses and the powers of negativity began to take over from there. And automatically at once, everything started to crash. Now, what happened is the woman's children were put under a key. And the key was the key of blindness. And upon that key, all the why that is it normal to you? Say mommy answer, our woman no, you ever form a placenta, echo no me any be fry at the same time. No, something is wrong. Papa kai mama yanko.
Every say, honam kra e mo janimo. Na me de amamo, afore mu chia no so. Say won fam pata e mamo kra. Na moja ene wode patama okra. Enu nti ana me say Israel for say, mumu okra biara enni moja. Na oho a wabesua mo no ono so enni moja.
Papa wameka bibi ntro tie ha ye pa he Africa ha on se obi pese osewa eye so easy se nipa no tumi trace wo placenta na se nsa so placenta ni mo a we so wo foundation ni mo. Bible say if the foundation be destroyed, what can the righteous do? So foundation na unim we get time Elisha insuo na obi akono na epono omo no then no ye oko insuo neja oko insuo ni tiri en no fa fresh calabash en na odi engineer den egu mu na nyanya me be kire no oye na ohie gu ade anu mu. You know what that simply means? Answer na bibiara obetumi asɛ no no fa say pipe ya efro we fie. So people say poison ye na ne ohia ni say onko hwe bebi at the source of that pipe near the every ever no poison or onya poison ensuring na asay. So when the foundation, the placenta is contaminated, the dark forces are able to grab onto it and they take it and they run with it, you are in trouble. Listen, the foundation is key. And baby no now what can you only tifio no akwala who when start here no akwala they are so nice, so wonderful. All of a sudden was that we are there akwala way all of a sudden that's why ding something is wrong. Moko hospital, the placentas, one fakra, mujagu ho. And once you left it there, you are in trouble. So with that placenta go hospital, never me to see one. Let me tell you this. Either say if Nyamia Yawadum na ekopie nurse or you would in sema, a very wicked nurse, that nurse can pick that thing up. If she can either take it to two places, the marine kingdom or the witchcraft kingdom. Now, so two places say, I didn't do what Akwala you wonder say, yes, Akwala, all of a sudden you won't know. You won't yeah. Akwala could pay or that, or so that I say, Otunam, no, Namusia. That child has been initiated from that very early age because the nurses now are connected. He said hospitals in Ibebre have nurses who are demonically possessed, and once they get hold of these things, they take them to their kingdom banks. You probably be the banks of the evil one, and in the second heavens, and they take those placentas there spiritually. Then they possess the placentas. Once they possess it, they can inject it with whatever they want to inject it with. When you say there's a second one, say now edu anajo obesu saa na akwala no hu ade a eye no but you soon entumi ndai ebi ho a time obe say there are particular time be at 12 o'clock to 1 and I said 1 to 1:30 akwala no be so that means some manipulation is going on in the life of the child and from that very young age you know one nya hu adwuma na wodi hu agro akwala no be yin no na akwala has fallen into the hands of the evil one and akwala be ho ya ma be ye from that point to it is from their placenta. And imagine say a obi oye occult pastor now I call hospital now I call to enkola placenta now worry oh my god when ma dey oye sa placenta no ho placenta no eno na nimpa nkwane ye den ewo mu no and sa demonic pastor no koto no ori a eye nimpa no hyebre nimpa no nkwa nimpa no abrabo na worry no and to already sad the end and I wouldn't why I'm pet fresh babies no because fresh baby innocent. Fresh babies carry divine anointing from on high no. So when the fresh baby comes like that, and it says look at a fresh baby na akolano so we feel sama or heaven straight to them. Any child be from the age of 1 to 5 in between that time they have innocence so straight away they go before God. And that is why because on demonic pastor and saka sadia my goodness you are in trouble. Because that thing na orin the shebre are in nipa awi na ni onyam wa beri ni na ewo no mu no no edidi and the more odiye na okonanim no na the more okosoro and what happens is that these demonic pastors no they take these things as the destinies of people na omo just our destiny so ede akomonim that's what it is. Let me also explain something else to you now. In the same way when a placenta of a child another woman friend me na me ka ba some say akwala placenta no ho say fa now at the end of the day, sa placenta ni ye de ko. Na let's say Sebia hospital hono omo e will be a big container, boiler container. No omo ko hwie guma. The problem about that is say wherever the placenta touches near e wo hono e connected to have an effect on the child. So imagine say akola placenta akoto be a gatim and I say ato boiler so that child's life will be a life of what? Down slave. And the boy say, "Hey, you can't na sakwala no crop for okay. Omo ya defo, but akwala na bra born into me the enko nanim. Ne papa ne mama wupe akwala no say from that time whatever they have ni na dey because that child is connected spiritually on that ground of destruction. Woman no friend me wonim or sit ne crop for western region. Wonim ade to no. That woman went forth or the akwala placenta man papa. And on the papa called Diane, ewo edua bi ase. Listen to this very well. Ne papa dua bebre popo ni na nyia na enyi. Baby a ne papa de ne ba ne placenta ne ko share dua na ase no. Dua no de ko share ase no aka entumi nyi. Baby e dua no na gina. What does that tell you? That means they have stagnated and put a limit. I want the limit ato akwala na brabo so. So the more the child is supposed to grow no bo hey akwala be da obeso dai no awoni krum. No one the fee, no one the fiche, no one the crassy. That child is under limited bondage. And no matter what that child will do, unto me calling him, until you deal with the manipulation of the placenta. It's very, very important. Now let me go for Papa Genesis 4:10, mommy. Now, most African placentas are buried in the earth, leading to demonic records open in satanic kingdom. And that's very important here. So, ewo assassination say obianim say hell ewo assassination. Obianim say atamfra be for two places no more. Omo second heavens we more. No omo say assassination and assassination from the time of Adam handing over Emma Satan no. Satan took over the land, took over the earth. Omo say until say yes we no na assassin many nimpa it was swallowed until Christ came and will be changing the game before Christ assassin no matter what you do once you do maybe a date and Korah ni Abraham omo call Moses so omo ni Moses e ko di prepare no Moses kasa na assassin me dey ebie na many omo Papa kan ma me yenko
na wo say e dia na wa yi wonu amoja ne e tie mu frame free assassin so
hold on I'm sure now I say children born in different places. I have very important to be told here. Children born. Say yawo enkwala ho. Enkwala yawo omo bia wo de hwe enkwala yawo omo obi a Accra. Hwe bia yawo omo Osu. Yawo omo obi bi te say Choko. Yawo omo obi bi te say Amasaman. Yawo omo check their lives. Their lives are not the same. Asasi biara ni controller ewo so. Asasi biara ni tumia eye dwa dey ewo. So where their placentas are planted determines how they will come. But she ne etu able. Ko yanko.
Na wase den no waye. Wonu amoja efremi efri asase so. Na afe wa tome wa efri asase.
Me mpacho ti. O si ni nua boja no ebu boja no ye dey. Esu frɛ no from asase, which means that asase no once a placenta na say boja be dey ebegu so no ye be dia altar wo so no, the land at once begins to speak. The question is this: where is it speaking to? Is it speaking to God or is it speaking to the devil?
Verse 11. Na afe wa tome wa efri asase a ebie na no. Ati wo moja, unuane moja efri wo nsam no eso.
Poverty hammer. Placenta buried has made evil powers establish covenants with the dust or with the earth. Take note, the closer your placenta is to the earth, the easier to summon you to the grave by satanic manipulation. Blood-sucking demons and flesh-eating demons have the ability to take over your placenta. But the closer your placenta is, well, what penetrate? I am trying to make an intro because this knowledge just this morning. I said the closer your placenta is to the earth, the easier to summon you to the grave by satanic manipulation. Very, very, very powerful. The closer the placenta no ever to assassin no so no assassin the easier it is for the demonic powers, both what we call the blood-sucking demons and the flesh-eating demons, to summon your soul by manipulation. Placenta can be used for sickness. Has a very important. But I need to get this very clear. Placenta can be used for sickness, timeline alteration, and also spiritually block the destiny of the freshly born baby. Watch. So placenta can be used for sickness. Sickness and any usually more hospital you don't notice this thing. Hospital now placenta no to hospital. One say edu baby akola bi owa onyini na no obe yare sa akola bi owa kra ya wo no kra no onye sickler, but all of a sudden now if he's sickler a spirit night take you over that child. What is happening there is this: that hospital now where you left the placenta of the child, there has been an initiation, and the akwalano life now is connected to the fact that almost every 3-4 months there is a hospital, and that's it. Akwalano even penny bi. There are times if you up to me said in the whole year no on but month to be do some month no obey yarisa and a continuous thing. And see every year in their life there is what we call placental manipulation. Let me take you further now. When we talk about the timeline alteration, because the timeline alteration is just akwala ebia nyame abon say obedi 100 years was assassin. Because of Musaka placenta and ewo witchcraft and another marine kingdom no omutu we twa akwala ne nkwa so kase bia akwala we ne nkwa ne ye jam obi foforo nti obenya 12 years 15 20 eso we owu noko eno ni ade a ya na edu bebi a saa enkwala wu obi o ha say owu ne ba no wu no asa wo foforo no wu no asa wo. What you don't know is the first one owu no wu ye no ne placenta no omo gi ye no they will repeat the cycle because omu nya moja bi and they will kill the children until verse 7 8 9 10th. Omu yeso no masa so say yes I dey we faji akola ni gina enkwasi asem nko. It's all part of the evil game that they are playing. Me pese enya no wo spiritual senses and sorry na Ghana for nyame man. One of the things I'm a power reverend and I say he learns. But Ghana for most of us, even as for no cry, also for you or Otiena on the pay on. We might be all here or to or pen or paper and all try some Americano. I can't make no one just you wouldn't know what I'm saying. We also the appear that's why them no yet direction, not knowing what you are doing. Right. You have no idea. Why won't you? You won't call to learn. But I'm sorry, I'm running with it. I'm telling you, knowledge, in the area, and you gotta learn on that basis. What do you understand about what you have heard? Firstborn strength in placenta can be used to distort siblings' life. Oh my God. Okay. Enter here. Make sure you know. Now, say nyame anya wadom se na me kire wo no on say akwala first one wawu and only one area you were another area the second area say that wo be wa akwala na to first born no you be the placenta no abeidom befa omunya fa placenta na what they do ni say wo mana aka oba bi o ha won say obewu baako owo na akwala no onwu but answer na obewu na chi no another 5 years another 10 years obe try na awon first born no a stop now. Listen, I be phone there so many ways on me anymore. Obe to the just placenta na your first born there no there tampai one bem ubwa ha ube kusa that child will never come. Now the first one's strength is in the placenta, can be used to distort the siblings' lives, and mothers can have long delays and blockage in rebirth. And so placenta in enemy stronghold. Now, when we talk about the placenta in the enemy stronghold, most also obi oha obedana obeso diano. Now all of a sudden it looks like as if say wunam forest, wunam bush, wudi America, and wabi HSU. In the little that you know, no placenta no ehone de koshe. We have placenta koshe, and so they no ebetwon. Enti obeso da bia na wo krum. Na wunam efo wunam foresting. That is what is going on with you. And time catch am say you are adhering in 2 levels. You missing weekend we mean tackle and kolano. Me we and kolana within the next 2 weeks now. If me bump in phone so, and the cycle of life is in 3. So from the 0 to the generation and we are very important now. From then we go from the 18 to the 40, from the 40 to the 65, and these ones will put them together. And after next week we're going to do a 7-day round fasting and prayer to tackle those issues. Yeah, now godly connection to earth. Also, Papa, honey, hear me, pa, me person me do we etwa ene. Nyame ya do next week na matwa so. Nyame ya do so send am kind as on Sunday, no. I'll continue in certain areas. I'm person me real room in our night prayer na be yan bati. Papa in the book of 2 Kings, no, 13:14. 13:14. Yes. 2 Corinthians 13. Yeah, no, sorry. 2 Kings, forgive me. 2 Kings, 13:14. You know about 2 Corinthians. 2 Corinthians in the idea I come to no. You know, we are 2 Kings 13:14. Kind of me yanko.
Etifia sem say Elisha come she ene ne wuo.
Okay.
And so na Elisha eyane. Ne yade a wode ewuye no. Na Israel hene Joas esane ba ne nchen ebesu nanim. Na oka se meja Israel ntiase na ne na ponko sotefo
Jehoash.
Ana Elisha eka kire no se kofa tadua ene agyan
onkofa bow and arrow. Me ba to muti aye pa tie ne aba ne ye pa ko
na wode tadua ne agyan no ebre no na oka kire Israel hene no se fa wonsa eso tadua ne mu na ode ne nsa eso mu na Elisha de ne nsa egu ohene ne nsa so na oka se.
So what's there right there? No, what is happening? There's a double anointing in operation to asune enko
na oka se
no oka se
hini epoye empoma no
o se yeden
hini epoye empoma no
me pesa me be ye biara no mystery to it. There is a direction to it. There is a connection to it. And ansana obronsam baby biara obetry ofuse we wini bia na nyame di kan a clear game leader. Come on me yenko kitete no kan ho
na ohini ye na Elisha ese to na otoye na wase Erade nkunimdie agyan Syria so nkunimdie agyan na obepo Syria wo Afek akosi se wo bedwere won
na asa wo beto so time ni titie hwe agyan no na Elisha person oto no 5 times but otomi to no 3 times and true exactly 3 times no mu defeat atamfo na eba omoso no. Why? Because assassino kasaye assassino the arrow of the prophet entered the land, spoke on the land, reversed the cycle that the enemy has set in place, and upon that reversal no there was a performance. No matter nya omaye ewo wo placenta mu ebusia ne mu ewo abrabo ne mu no, the word of the hand of God can go forth to reverse every cycle of the enemy. And no who edwon na yame yaduma Sunday way yabe no Sunday night Mr. Menda mumu bi o ha 1% me bra mo bebre na fi de mo da hosa no me fa nyoma ndi agro Sunday night wo banko adia Sabana make sure say akolano wunjane keke. You put that child in this time of fasting, and the word of God through the prophet shall bring a performance. Yeah. I see now Elisha saw in seven, no son in seven, or commanded us 23 times. Listen, I say obey the word of the Lord your God, and he will establish you. Obey the prophet, and you will prosper. Prosperity is given in the hand of the prophet. The Lord has given the direction. Sunday is a time. 12 midnight, Sunday, Monday, make it a point to say, wonder, but you'll be up for Kolano, because Kolano need this touch in the season that we are in. Myself said, everywhere you are, no, every one of you, make sure say, and net to Sunday and Kolano fast, put them in. And Kolano went to your content and make sure you obey. They can do tomorrow, Sunday, any Monday, and cover up on that. And like Kolano, Yami and Giomu. And see on so Kai said we have your name me answer na kai or see your oil of the anointing one kasa oil to communion wine, not just pet to fit for the children. That's all you need. Okay.